Hello and welcome to issue 102 of 3D Create and Print. I know this is a bit late, but I've only just got this one today, so, well, I got it about a week ago, but I'm doing a review of it now. So we've got the print head heater sensor. I'll show you where that goes in a minute. Let's have a look inside. We've got the usual web access code 143804. What's new in bioprinting? The science of fabricating living body tissues has been one of the runaway successful 3D printing technology, bringing us ever closer to major medical breakthroughs. An air structure, bioprinted with the Wake Forest integrated tissue organs printed system. Bioprinting has grown apace since we explored in issue 22. Today it has involved more than 80 installations worldwide. Biohybrid robot, a crawling robotic sea slug. The body and arms of this living machine has flexible 3D printed components. Bioprinting in space. While the team enjoys weightlessness of its Vomit Comet ride, the end script printer calmly gets on with fabricating human heart materials at a super fine resolution. The holy grail remains the ability to bioprint whole new replacement organs. That looks like the heart, maybe, perhaps. This is the 3D design tutorial setting up matter control. Having installed matter control in the last issue, it's time to configure the software to work with your affected 3D printer. Well, I haven't got the last issue, I'm still waiting for that to come in. But I have to. So this is basically I'm not too sure what this is all about. Basically the design tutorial. Maybe something to do with the speed, I think, I'm not sure. Print head effect sensor. Just this. Take the dust cover off. So basically, that is a spare piece. This is print head heat sensor. Just there. So that's where. So if that ever breaks, then I've got a spare part for it. So I don't need it at the moment. That's fine. Basically showing me where to fix it. So just taking it, take out the old one and refitting it, and to test it. These are the design files locked-eared bunny. Don't have to wait till Easter to enjoy this cute long-eared bunny rabbit. If it's only chocolate. My sister's into rabbits, so I might print it for her if I can get this thing to work. Micro catapult. And then the next issue, 103, which I haven't got yet. I'm still waiting for. It's a back issue which I'm waiting for, which would be the angled refining tip. So at the moment I've got issue 104, so while I'm waiting for 103 you can zoom onto issue 104. So I'll see you in the next issue. So thanks for watching. Hope that wasn't too boring for you, but so that was issue 102 with the spare part of the print head heat sensor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.